If repairs keep failing, switch from basic plastic anchors to stronger hardware like toggle bolts, molly bolts, larger diameter anchors, or stud-mounted fasteners immediately. Toggle bolts are ideal for hollow walls where the backside is inaccessible. Choose a wingspan that opens fully behind the drywall and drill a hole just large enough for the collapsed wings so the anchor can expand securely. Molly bolts are metal sleeve anchors that expand and lock. Install by inserting the sleeve, then tighten the screw to flare the sleeve and trim any excess collar flush with the surface. For larger diameter anchors, select a size rated for higher shear and pull-out loads, and match the screw length so the thread fully engages without bottoming out in the drywall cavity. When possible, move to stud-mounted anchors by locating a stud with a stud finder, pre-drilling a pilot hole, and driving a wood screw with coarse threads to bite deep into the framing so the load transfers to structure rather than gypsum. For repeated repair locations, cut a backing plate from scrap plywood slightly larger than the damaged area, insert it behind the drywall through a small access hole, and fasten through the drywall into the plate to distribute load over a wider area. Always use corrosion-resistant hardware for humid environments, and test each repaired anchor by applying incremental load before restoring finishes. Common mistakes include using a lightweight plastic expansion anchor in a high-load situation, which will strip out. Fix that by selecting a toggle or an appropriately rated metal anchor and sizing it to the expected load. Another issue is installing an anchor too close to an edge or another fastener, which causes cracking and failure. Avoid this by moving the anchor at least 3 times the anchor diameter away from edges, and by reinforcing with a backing plate if proximity is unavoidable. Finally, attempting to repair repeatedly over the same damaged hole without addressing the underlying weakness leads to successive failures. Stop the cycle by either shifting to a stud-mounted fastener, replacing the damaged drywall section and installing a backing plate, or using a heavy-duty toggle that bears on the backside of the wall. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows contractor profiles and job postings so we can help homeowners find work and contractors find clients. We also host a community discussion area where we and other members share repair tips, product experiences, and installation advice.